Hi, Sarah Banas here, Spectrum Weavers. I am going to show you today how to get this white line when you are putting text or whatever over another set of text. So it's super easy. Let's go ahead and get to work. Actually, before we go any further, if this video is something that's helpful to you, like the video, but also subscribe to my channel. I'm coming out with new videos, probably 2 or 3 a week, just different ways for you to learn how to use your Cricut to design for yourself, whether that be in Cricut Design Space or externally. Just neat little tricks and ways that you can, like I said, learn for yourself how to design your own designs. So let's go ahead and get rid of all of this. This is all you need right here. These two fonts are absolutely perfect for this, and I'll link both of them in the description. This top font, the one Mom has done, and is free right now. And I'll link where you can grab that free. And then this bottom font, this is O Julia, the script. Super pretty. It's one of my absolute favorites. And I'll link where you can get that as well. So you're going to want to click on your script font. And then up here on top, click Offset. Just takes a moment. Now you can use a slider to make it, thicker if you want. I'm going to, I know I want this right around 0.023. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get it to offset without filling in this part of the B right here. If the two lines are touching, Design Space will, it'll just fill that area in, and we don't want that area filled in. So we want it as thick as we can get it without filling in that area. Let me actually see if I can go up. And I know I can't go to 0.025. I know that fills it in. See if we can get it at 0.024. I think I can. Yeah, it looks like that's going to work. So we'll go ahead and apply that. And then move this away. So you just have your offset. And then take your offset up here. And then right click on Mom. And then actually left click and then right click. And then send to back. So that your script offset is on top. I'm going to want that right about right there. I don't like it totally centered. I like it a little bit down towards the bottom, right about right there. And then select both and then go to your top, go to align. And you do want to center it horizontally. Okay, and then with both selected, go down here to the bottom right, go to slice. This takes a moment. Okay, and that is all there is to it. So move this down out of the way. We can get rid of all of this. And the neat thing is that, it's not just text that you can do this with. You can do it with, say you want to take a heart and, put Mom across it or something like that. It's just a neat little trick that you can do. That was perfect. I can't get it quite perfect. Let me see if I can move this to do it. There we go. That's perfect. So you can see, and I'll even take it one step further and I'll select these two and flatten it, and then you'll really see that offset. So just give it one moment. There you go. So now you can see that white line. See how pretty that is? So I'm going to go ahead and I will link a few things in the video description. I will link, like I said, where you can get this Mom font, where you can get that free. I will link the script font, absolutely fantastic. I will link our Facebook group. So we have a group of, I would say it's about 405, 410,000 members, just super friendly, super helpful. We do tutorials all the time there. We'd love for you to come join us. I'll link that in the description. And I mean, that's about it. Make sure you do like and subscribe. Have a good day. Bye.